In this video, I'll introduce you to all the features that you have in Studio to customize your guide.
After you've created your guide, you'll be taken to the studio where you can customize the guide's content. Check out the tools in the menu bar to the left. You can use these to enhance your video. You can have our AI generate a script for you by clicking here. This is one of the most powerful features of Minerva. It allows users to quickly and easily create personalized scripts that are tailored to their specific needs. With this feature, you'll be able to save time and effort. The video can be read in your voice using the voice cloning feature here. This video is using my voice. When you're ready, click the preview button. If you're happy with your guide, go ahead and click share. To embed video on your site, copy the embed code here. You can then paste it into any website you'd like for the video to appear.
I hope you enjoyed that video. I can't wait to see what you create with Minerva.